Hello again. Been a while since I made a video. That's because of the weather being absolutely awful for the past month. Back at the spot I first crashed at, and there's a lot of puddles, so I'm really hoping I don't crash again. I've basically been trying to pid tune, which I don't fully understand. So I'm just going to do a quick sunset flight, hopefully not crash into any puddles. I now have sound on my quad, which is kind of pointless but kind of not. Yeah. So I've got one battery. I've used 3 batteries on trying to pid tune, so I'm just going to try to get one nice flight in. Hopefully it goes okay.
Holding on to this, holding on. I know I'm holding on to this, holding on. Don't let me repeat it. Friends have changed, but so can you. So can you. For too long about the mistakes. Forgot your names.
Whoops. Well, that mostly went okay, apart from the crash. Ooh. Well, that was fun. Oh fuck, I have destroyed my antenna. Oh my god. Alright, let's see the damage. Obviously I can't show the GoPro, so I'll put a photo up here. Casing's a bit cracked, the display screen is a bit cracked. The lens seems okay for the moment. Unfortunately my FPV camera is quite cracked, but doesn't seem to be affected too much by the footage. A little bit of carbon fibre on the bottom broken. All the arms seem okay, all the motors and propellers seem okay. My antenna on the other hand, oh, now I'm hoping that's just visual damage and hopefully it still works. I've been playing a lot of Liftoff, which here is just a game about drones really, so I've been practicing just moving around, getting more comfortable with speed and angles and tricks. So I think that compared to my last video at Roach the quality of flying's a lot better. Like I feel a lot more comfortable flying around now. First time I was here, I was flying like this. Yeah, now I'm just zooming around, flipping everywhere, and I'm finally starting to get the hang of it. But thanks for watching. I'll end on this lovely sunset, and I'll see you in the next video.